Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Dupray and Kärcher Steam Cleaner. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner comes with a 17-piece kit and generates superheated steam up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. It's powerful enough to lift grease, dirt, and grime from floors, tiles, cars, and upholstery. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to move around, and the large tank offers up to 50 minutes of cleaning per fill. Plus, it includes a 2-year limited warranty for long-term reliability. Customers on Amazon love how easy it is to use and how well it performs even on tough jobs. Many mentioned that it's compact yet powerful and does a fantastic job cleaning floors, cabinets, and bathrooms without using chemicals. Some did note they'd like a few extra accessories, but overall, it's praised for its strong steam output and build quality. The Karcher Steam Cleaner, on the other hand, focuses on speed and efficiency. It heats up in just 40 seconds and produces powerful steam, over 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for cleaning tiles, grout, windows, and hard floors, using its lamella nozzle technology for even steam distribution. It also has a refillable tank for continuous cleaning, and comes with a full set of handy attachments. Amazon reviewers describe it as reliable, quick, and well-built. They appreciate the German craftsmanship, noting that it handles bathrooms, kitchens, and floors with ease. A few mentioned frequent refills for larger jobs, but most were impressed by its consistent performance and smooth operation. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of both. On the positive side, the Dupray offers powerful high-temperature steam that sanitizes hard surfaces effectively. The large water tank provides up to 50 minutes of runtime, and it's versatile enough for cleaning floors, upholstery, windows, and even cars, all without using chemicals. On the downside, it takes around 7 to 8 minutes to heat up, can feel a bit bulky for storage, isn't the best for carpets or deep stains, and lacks a water level indicator, which can sometimes leave surfaces damp. As for the Karcher Steam Cleaner, it delivers chemical-free cleaning, making it perfect for homes with allergy-sensitive users. It heats up quickly in about 6 minutes, works well on different hard surfaces like tile, grout, and sealed wood, and comes from a reliable brand known for useful accessories. On the downside, its smaller tank means more frequent refills. It may struggle slightly with tougher grime in lower-end models, and a few users have mentioned minor durability or attachment issues. Both steam cleaners bring impressive performance to the table. The Dupray stand out for longer deep cleaning sessions, while the Kärcher shines in fast, convenient, everyday cleaning with solid build quality. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.